understanding. That's
an understanding.
Whatever understanding you have, who makes your life easy now is
but also proof. If they had an understanding, why did she get touched?
Because of the comments that other people are saying.
Even with those people in the house.
Yeah, in the house.
So you think when we are feeling she tell my job when they okay and then about loco, must say these are my outs and prepare and something. You wouldn't get touched.
Yes, we bought it as a multi-million
Spit out, please.
I got really bad in the
that's what I was like, guys, what was I supposed to do? Bro,
give her a VIP ticket.
People took.
No, you could have made a man who's never getting a ticket back. Why didn't you take one?
You could have
taken one.
If you were savage enough to not give the girl that did everything for you in the house a ticket, you could have been savage enough to put one.
There was a lot of
Who's got the footage? What compliment?
Wait, let's keep in my PDF. No.
Eh, something's like wrong. I can't come to the West. When
what the poison? When you flop big time. And I'm going to tell them about everything else here.
I'm flopping.
Yeah.
And the division, the Payan. MK, ANC. Same time, get number VIP tech.
Yeah.
Similar, man.
What again?
Oh, I'm not trying to make it romantic. I'm rapping here. All right, man.
Oh, you understand me? You understand that, I'm saying?
What's up with that?
I understand. Yeah, so show when I would see understand.
Understanding and misunderstanding.
Right?
I'm not me to tell you, see you. Yeah. Sasa kabla ni cheza wema.
Naga.
Hawema za kabla. Ngafua sina kabla. Mina ngazi kabla mut mina so.
Duzu when Mandy was my
shit. Thank you Leah. Yabonga Leah.
Duzu when Mandy was my shit for real.
Thank you. I'm gonna need about guys.
With Mandy guys it was platonic. We were just friends. Yabo. Mina, I wasn't there to do anything with her. She probably got the wrong idea, but I clarified it to her. Well, I understand.
It's lying.
But it's not my problem that Umuntu is still gonna like me after that.
This is lying.
Yeah, the girls were throwing themselves. Niggas.
This was cuddling.
And I was not even with me, like
it was rubbing. Yeah, right.
At some point, like
you were talking about Zugo and Mandy.
Yeah.
Zugo and Mandy. Like Lumendi. Thank you so much, Kanye. Thank you so much.
I was Chozuko. I'm pro Chozuko ship.
No. It's Zuko. Telele.
Chozuko and Swilile.
When I was 16.
The girls were throwing.
I mean, who's reaching there? So let's chill, man.
As your girl in the house.
Hey, there's another video where,
yeah, for me it was specific. It was for me the girls that were really nice in my eyes. And if I was in the house, specific. But okusala ngangizogcina ngitholile register yedwa wabo ngangeke kulunge ngiyuzulu ngiphandlile awungakeke awangeke ukuthi mina anazo nanephanda azilaba bethu bahlula amantombazana lapho kwibhibhazana
mina ngizochaza mina
sinazi iphanda bafowethu ngendlela yethu
mina my game was told
indlela zethu ihlukile
I was trying to respect
Excel uyendi yandone excela kaniyekele wenu man guys come on nabo phone
no I actually like Mshini. It was especially Mshini. Those were my top two mina yabo Brunette, aye.
Yo.
Yeah, what do you want to keep it?
No, yazini. Ama-out, angazi noma nanisaba intombi zenu. Noma ini.
Sasihlonipha.
Insizwa iyayihlonipha. Ihloniphe nabantu.
I don't understand what
abafazi,
hayi. Mina bafethu ngipholile mina. Me am a clean guy, clean brand baba. Ukuthi ngisakasake kanje ngeke ngitso.
BK was coming very nice. BK was coming very nice, but got very distracted by Nate. You know what? Ben Nate, they had an agreement. But BK really started liking Nate. The way he was moving, it was like, Fethu, nangu mshini uyakufuna umshini, uyayiphosta kwena umshini. And the whole time, uphiza udlala kancane because ufuna umshini akushele. Because you're a light-skinned nigga. And I like that Umshini played the game. She was like, you already know I like you, but that's where it ends. How the girls got rejected. I saw a video. I wasn't watching Big Brother at that time, but how? I want to tell us Savage. I like your sister. What's up, more? Sister?
You remember the first Thursday night party?
Yes, they really were. They came with the relationships scripts.
But I feel like
yes. I Swiss parts. Pili is a great girl. She's a great girl. But I said
amazing.
Yes.
But
me. So amazing what to me like VIP.
Hey, I want to take
yeah, Hans was crazy about PK. Yo. Ella, the whole time. PK, all over the place. What was going on there?
No comment.
There was a time I got so confused. I'm like, what's happening here?
No comment.
No comment. Hey, you must stick to Nate. People are watching outside.
Don't come to Big Brother while in a relationship. Yeah, man.
No, uya ku Big Brother mtshele babe. Ngiyowina Latina lapho. Ukuthi ngiyiwina ngokiss lento. Noma ngiyiwina ngiyowina.
Ayinike nje. Yabona le?
Nolokuhluka.
Uyishuku indlela ngale twala.
Sapona no KP after 9.
Usenza no KP. Usenza no KP. Manje izindaba ya KP. Uba lo izindaba ya KP. Mafethu.
Maningi amacala akho.
No maningi mfethu awemama.
Peter was also crazy about PK. How come I didn't pick that one up?
Yeah.
For real?
They had like a thing. See, it's like it was a really nice environment to be in.
I went to Mazana make post this season.
Not a main post. Not a main post. That's wild. Those who will let Mandy on.
And then say that.
No, but you did. Because remember, there was a point in time when they were cuddling. Swiss no KP, I have evidence. What do you mean? You have evidence? Like, evidence of what? The whole show was broadcast. Cisco Kena. Oh, man.
Did you get your money from Lotto Sis, did you get your money from Lotto No, PK was ngaleli lamsa leliyana. Lelansu. Improve machine, improve net, kuningi nje wena.
Improve.
Watching
pink sheet.
Hey, ngiyafese, don't shit it. Address that.
Hey guys, he's just stirring the pot like he did in the house.
That's crazy. Nah, that's wild, bro.
No, you guys rejected the girls, bro. It's crazy.
For me, the thing is, it's like
George was crazy about Luzu. Exactly. I saw that shit.
But she also signed with Ezra too soon. Like she went to Ezra too soon.
You know why she did that? I'll tell you why she did.
Because you was low.
Nah. Wait.
Well, I'm saying it. Mbrusini! Mbruze play.
Dlalani manje?
Udlala nawe wena. Mayingadlali nawe phuma lapha.
Dlalani manje wafethu? Kuyashada mina.
Phuma lapha. Mayingadlali nawe. I Luzuko unekwababa. Susu was never rude. I love you, Tabang.
I spoke to this is the guy who was like,
Luzuko, this is for you. If Luzuko shipped with Ashley, you would have been top 5. If Luzuko shipped
been top 5 on my own. I don't need people.
Don't say things like that because nina ngiyarecorda lezi zinto mase ngiyayiposta out of context mase ngikhuluma izinto ezi-wrong. Don't asihle manje singakhulumi ngamagama abantu unless it's people they are like cool with because other people perceive things wrong yabo bafethu and asifuni le live le it's chill vibes ayikho into etheni crazy sacela kube ibe nice
nice, we're happy.
yeah please
Super friendly.
Because masifika umzulisi
I'm still angry. Exactly, I'm also angry.
What are you angry about?
That you didn't give Speedy the VIP tag. Me too. Yes. Yes.
Who's gonna be our chef? And Bruce
Yeah, I think you shouldn't. Yeah, no, serious, guys. Let's not talk about, especially because we also know, like, where the sensitivity is. Unless velo machine bazwana nalaba sharp whatever. But okunye, there's gonna be recordings and there's gonna be everything. Already the khuluma sengitholile just because of Big Brother ngingabanga nakuyona nje angikufuni so.
Yazi ngisolo ukuthi inkinga nabo ukuthi sazwana nawo. Manje bengafuni mina.
Let me send it to you.
Uzwana. Indawo uzwana.
Guys, the competition is over. Sweet Kuluba won.
Shout out to the boy.
Now it's time for everybody else to win. And everybody else can win. There's different things that people can do. And I always tell them, guys, there will not be influencing if there's no content creation. Create content so that you can influence. Luzu, Jojo, respond to the call. Jojo.
Yeah, no.
Your ride is 1 minute away. 1 minute away. Uthi Jojo pendula call but also unikeza ama details.
Mina ngithuli.
But ngiyantshela everybody else needs to win now. The pie is big enough for all of us. UJJ kumele acule. Swiss mela X, sambone X, uya host. Uluzuko mela mo pretty boy, shama kereri with me, kunyiwe. Sweet Kuluba can act, angaba na masaluni, angaba na noma yini afuna bayona ngadansa methanda. Ashley angashama kereri with me and whatever I funayo. BK, same story.
Bro, I found the address.
I did. No, well, you need to tell the driver your number, ba. BK, Ashama, pretty boy, Shama, I'm getting with me, and the number is especially DJ, voiceover artist, whatever. But everybody can win at this point.
Check me out. Go on TikTok, go on Instagram, you'll see.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
No, he's actually around. We spoke with him. We're supposed to link up during the weekend. Hey, but you know. What PK? Not PK. Brother Mike, Dintang.
But the pie is big enough for everyone. So if you see someone posting, posting on Facebook and slandering people. Yep. Now these are real life people. When they were in the house, it was like a game. We voted for the person to go to the next round. But now they are outside. These are real life people. They have feelings. So what you say about other people, as well. Don't do that. I've had people bang DM, bang talk I don't post certain people, and I'm like, and if you speak badly about someone good alive, it's a block. It's a block. Because guys, let me tell you something. If you are Mungani Swiss, because there's 398 of you guys like. Nitanda Swissy, Nitanda Lusugo, Nitanda 415. And I I want you guys to know that brands are not going to engage them or give them campaigns if you guys as a fan base need toxic.
Tango.
The love for them alone is not enough if you guys are not healthy engagers.
Tango.
That's why I repost every Big Brother housemates, because I want all of them to win. And I think we should all do the same, because at the end of the day, these guys need to eat. Yeah, well.
One thing I can say.
And
also,
you
guys,
can't go, shame.
one thing I can say.
Yeah,
guys,
good. Yeah,
My
but
man,
he's a good.
my man.
He's a
In
good
terms of
man.
issue of faith, one thing about Umpu of faith, selfless, heart of gold.
You
Like,
You know, guys,
big time. And she doesn't owe us anything, but she chose Gucci because this is who I am, and I'll do this, and I want these people to win. Let's win together. That's who she is.
That's why when I started seeing my comments, but I'm chasing clouds, guys. There's not a single person in the Big Brother house saying I'm chasing clouds now. Clouds here. I'm almost on 1 million on TikTok because of my cooking, not because of Big Brother.
How can they?
So this one guys are one bekhuluma bakhuze nje ukuthi hayi
clouds.
Guys,
Nizilol. If you're saying that, you're a lol if you're saying that. You can't say it like.
Tell George of it. Who drive it in?
Because it's a rally here, boy. It's problem.
Yeah, but mela shi number, so buzu George ukuthi ngise number bani getini. I'm telling you now, guys. Yabo, it doesn't end at just love. It ends at supporting them.
That's what it is so much.
Who's the window? Who's the window? I want to go to school.
And it's okay to love your faves. We all had our faves. Mina,
Because I got my aunt.
mini fave yami. I'm the top 3. Okuspecific umshini noSukulu. Angikazi ngifihle lokho. I was sad when Swiss left because I was warming up to him. Congratulations, wafaka isithombe sakho. But why bakwina ngarathi akusiyo uSwiss khuluma lo.
Khona mama yo mfana emoli hamba nengane.
Number what?
Ingane ithi mama buka usweet. Usweet. Yeah, we had usweet. What's that? West Street was that every man
Swiss khulu.
it is I mean we are imali ayona mina. Mina usweet. Khona usweet. Ngiyaxolisa kodwa mama kodwa masafuna ukushuza usangasutha na.
Alright, let's go. But guys, let's just all root for them. And I want you guys to know there's so much power that lies in you guys. Is that there's so much power that lies in you guys and your guys' support. Now I'm lying corner because of the support yabantu abathanda content yami. Nabo singababeka lapho by uthando lwabo. Don't fight with other people. Don't be out there with the toxicity. Khona. Yeah, usefikile umjiji.
And God defeat.
We need a number. Ngiyacela.
You not call the guy and maybe just communicate.
No. Musuzenza good communicator wena. Umnika ngikhulile ngiyaphithela. Excel.
Bese ukhuluma ngobolt. Ngikhuluma kanjani ukhuluma ngobolt?
Ukhuluma noba.
Catch a straight.
Sidinga inamba lana.
Zuko.
We need a number la ukuthi ugayangene ngayo. Siyafona.
Who told you?
Yeah, I told you. I texted there. MJ looks is the number. I showed option to number.
Yo, ngaza kuhle kabo.
Sacela upress u350 again.
Swiss gang, we're proud of you, Swiss. Swiss gang, I love you guys.
Yeah, sacela upress u350 option 2.
Oh. I got numbers. I want to double the toxicity. Yes. Double the toxicity. This show is fucking over. I don't know. I don't know what you guys talking about there. I don't know.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to do all that. I ain't trying to do all that. Sweetie pie, but you know, to each their own. Whew, guys, I am so they even know who you are. They don't.
Poplar Avenue.
Sengibane ngabona into la ingichaze kakhulu. Ibonani makhaya. Waiting for uJojo man. I because Gabi's a call. I know I'm Gabi's a call. Gabi's a call. A call. Yeah, come my friend. Listen, you're saying single, yeah? A single stays my friend. With 30 rand. You lost so much weight. What do you mean I lost weight? Well, in the house I was losing weight, baby girl, because I got big. I was big. I tried to lose weight. I'm trying to cut down. This is my yeah, I wanted to lose weight. I've been trying to lose weight. People will know my location. What do you mean they'll know your location for?